Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love the beach resort town of Negril and a taste for investment, you will love this property. On sale, perfectly located at Nonpareil Road, it boasts 4 self-contained complete units with own bathrooms and kitchens that would suit the needs of most travelers. Negril has long been the all-time favorite in many ways for most Jamaicans. Accommodation at 19 Whitehall saves time and is for quick access to bright white sand beach. Great vibes for music, food and beverages. 5 minutes from the town. The land area of this house is approximately 3,291 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 210,000 or Jamaican $32.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.